Barbie.
Yes?
I was wondering if maybe I could look through your closet and see if there's anything that might fit me. Oh, I was wondering the same thing. Seriously, girls? Those are old clothes. Yeah, but they're vintage. Oh, come on, let's see what I got. I don't know if any of them will fit you, but we'll try. So remember not long ago, I actually went through 3 of these Barbie suitcases and I found Barbie dolls and I found some old clothes. Everything was pretty vintage. Some of them dated back even to the 1960s. Most of them were more in the 1990s. So anyway, today I have 3 dolls. Here they are right here. We have Zanya, who is a real Blythe doll. We have Hibiscus, who's a fakie, an AliExpress Blythe doll. And then we have an old 1990s Barbie doll. And I have several clothes that I found in those suitcases that we're going to try on them. So the first one I'm going to take is this Barbie doll. I don't really like that her hands are like that. I bet she's going to be hard to dress. So let's see. We'll go ahead and get this wedding dress off of her. Isn't that pretty? Trying to see where it came from. I'm thinking it may be from the same maker as these dresses. These dresses came from an old lady, and I say old lady, she probably was my age. But back in the day, her and her husband, they were always at the flea market. She would make doll clothes and he made wooden toys, including little hangers. And these were some of the dolls, some of the dresses that were there. And we'll try this one on Barbie first. It's a little snug. Oh, she's cute in it though. So there we go. We have that dress on Barbie. And then, let's see, Hibiscus. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take her shoes off. Hibiscus and Ziana, they have 2 different bodies. Let me take their clothes off and I will show you the difference. The fakies, or the ones that come from AliExpress, they have a lot more articulation, a lot more joints, I guess you could say. Before I take her dress off, I just wanted to show you this little outfit was one of the outfits that I had found in those suitcases. It's kind of funny. I had the skirt from another suitcase that I had opened years ago that my Blythe dolls would wear, but I just found the top the other day when I was going through these particular suitcases. So they are Barbie, and as you notice, it fits her pretty good. We'll take those off. Okay, and as you can tell, the bodies are very different. The AliExpress dolls, their bodies are a little bit bigger. They do have the joints in the elbows and the knees, whereas these girls, they don't have that. They do bend a little bit, kind of like the Barbie dolls' knees bend, but this one's a little bit thicker through the legs, through the waist, through the tatas. Just all around are much bigger. So the first thing I want to try on is, well, we'll do this dress right here. So this is a Blythe doll dress, okay? My sister actually made this dress, gave it to me. Fits her really nicely. And then this particular dress, my mom made it, probably back in the 60s. And we're going to put it on Ziana. And here she is in that dress. Now I have to say this one, it's got a little bit of a hole there that I could fix. And it has Velcro for the fastener. That's coming off too. But I mean, this literally came from the 60s. So we have these three ladies in the different dresses. Okay, now I'm going to switch them around a little bit. We'll take this dress. I'll just move them down. And let's see how they look. All right, so we have this dress. It fits her. It's a little loose, but it looks, I think it looks really good. Here's the back, okay. And then the other Blythe, the hibiscus here. Again, it's a little big for her, but it's, in fact, these two dresses, I think, fit these dolls the same way. Switching them would be better, maybe. No, this one would probably be really big on her, actually. This is a smaller body, so never mind on that. But there's these two. Now, Barbie fits her pretty good. I have to say, it was not easy getting it on. I don't like these bent arms. I think little girls would have had a hard time putting these clothes, some of these clothes on these bent arm Barbies. If I remember correctly, I think I remember having to help my daughter quite a bit get the clothes on her dolls. But anyway, so we have these three and these three outfits. And now I'm going to switch them one more time. All right, I got them dressed. Well, some of them only got half dressed. This one did not fit her. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And she's going to need to wear something else, which we'll address that in a little bit. So definitely the Blythe dresses do not fit the Barbies very well. But the Barbie dresses can fit the Blythe, I have found. Now here's this dress. This actually fits her really well. I think it almost fits her better than the Barbie. And this was actually meant for Barbie. This actually came in like, you bought fabric that these were kind of stamped on, and you cut them out, and then it would have instructions how to sew them together. But I think she looks really good in that. And then we have Ziana here. This is a little big on her, but I've had her wear these dresses before, and I've just put a little belt, these little bracelets that I make. They're adjustable. Can't tell, I got my watch in the way, but anyway, I have some pink ones that I have made. I think turquoise would look good with this too. And just I put it around her waist, and so then she's got a little belt, and the dress fits her much better. Now I have two more outfits I want to try on all three of these girls. I have two tops. I have a Barbie top here that was crocheted, and then I have this top that fits the Blythe dolls. I think this came from, I forgot what the name of that. I'll try to look it up and type it down here. If I can't find it, then I won't put it down there. I think it's Incredible World or something like that. I'll have to ask my sister. She'll know. But this was for the Blythe. This is for Barbie. And then I have these skirts. This skirt right here was found in the vintage Barbie suitcases. And then this is actually one of the skirts for Blythe doll. My sister made it, Tammy Pally. And I think she made it out of some old sheets, if I'm not mistaken. But this goes together, and this goes together. So I'm going to try them on, the girls, and I'll be right back. Actually, it fits her really well. Now, I'll have to say, on the Blythe dolls, the skirt comes down quite a bit more. As you can tell, even though they're both 1/6 scale, they're not the same. even body-wise, they're really not the same. So Barbie's a little bit taller. Of course, these girls have bigger heads. But anyway, I think that works really well on her, both the top and the skirt. Let's try this one on next. All right. She's got some granny panties on. They're really kind of too big for her. I don't want her to go commando, though. She's still got them on. But it was not easy getting this on. And even, I think if she was commando without underwear, I'm not for sure I could snap it. So this must not have been really for a Barbie. I don't know who it was for. But she looks good in it. The top looks really good. Fits her really, really well. All right, now let's try both of these outfits on the two different Blythe bodies. All right, it's way too big for her. I've got it all the way up here. And this is a little big for her too. I could scrunch it back like that, but this isn't going to work. Let me try it on the other Blythe body. And it's a little big on her too. It's not as bad, but it is kind of, well, no, it's not long. But I don't know who this would fit. It's really a cute little skirt. Maybe if I put the snap on, and if I move the snap over, I think it would fit her okay. The top, though, it's too big. This is definitely a Barbie top. Let's put that other top on with this. I think it would be much better. Actually, I have a yellow top that probably look really good. It's more of a crop top. But, yeah. It does much better. So I just need to move that snap over a little bit. I like that skirt. I need to make me one. All right, so this is that little skirt. See how well it fits her? That's nice. Put your arms down there, okay? Now that fits her pretty good there. Okay, now let me try this outfit on the smallest doll. And here's Zanya with this little outfit on. I think I'm going to keep her in that. I like the length of it there. And what I did with Hibiscus is that I put her in the little outfit that Ziana had on. I always say her name different. Zanya or Ziana? But here are the two girls in their, in their outfits. I think that sounded worse than it was. They look really good. Now I had to get Barbie dressed. What am I going to put on her? I put her back in this dress. I thought she looked really cute. Now they're all ready to head out. I don't know where they're going. Maybe they're going to go shopping for some more clothes. Anyway, let me know if you have tried Barbie's clothes on Blythe's dolls or vice versa, and what have you found? Do they fit? Are they consistent? Or do they not fit? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.